I like shining, you be lying. I be grinding, you waste time. No, you wanna roll with me, cause you know I put it down. When I show up, I'm the one and only. No, 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 no. Baby, it's my diamonds, I don't need no light to shine. I stop off my wrist, now I can barely see the time. I just made $1 million and I'm still not satisfied, cause we make the world go.
Birthday, Erica. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to at lagi.
Oh, Erica, happy birthday. Sana maging mabuti kang bata at mag-aral kang mabuti. At matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Thank you, Magpa. I love you.
Do you believe in magic? In a young girl's heart, how the music can free her whenever it starts and it's magic. If the music is groovy, it makes you feel
Hi Erica, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to adulthood. So you're now officially adult. So sana maging responsible ka sa lahat ng mga decisions na gagawin mo sa buhay. And I wish you all the best, happiness, and success in life. And looking forward for a DMD after your last name. God bless.
Happy birthday, Erica!
More birthdays to come. God bless and all the best, happiness and blessings in life.
Happy 18th birthday, Erica!
The magic's in you, the magic's in me. Do you believe in magic?
Hi, Erica. Happy 18th birthday. God bless you palagi at galingan mo aming future dentist. Enjoy mo lang tong araw na to at sana matupad mo lahat ang mga pangarap mo. Mahal na mahal ka.
Like I believe, do you believe? Like I believe, do you believe? Like I believe, do you believe?
This day, September 24, talagang legal age na. So, gusto kong pasalamatan yung family ko, sila mama at papa na palaging nandyan. Si Kuya Yanis na todo support palagi. At saka si Kuya Erwin na kahit wala ay ramdam pa rin namin yung presence niya. Uwi ka na, Bobs. Tapos yung family ko, Selly family. Yung Machenso family na nakauwi pa galing Batangas at Cavite. Thank you so much po sa pagdalo. Sa mga friends, sa mga lahat ng pumunta. Thank you so much po.
Like I believe.